GSG presents Whiting Wednesday.
I'm Mark Sudolnik, Textile Application Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. Today in our print lab, we're going to show you how to print a medium texture, dimensional shirt that's going to be really suitable for that boutique kind of lines that a lot of people are printing now. We're going to be using Epic Cork Base by Wilflex and Epic Plush Base also by Wilflex. Our first screen is going to be a 230 mesh. We're going to use a 60-90-60 durometer squeegee at a 15-degree angle. We're going to print this with about 40 pounds of pressure. And we're using the Wilflex Epic Cork Base for our first color. And we mixed in some Wilflex Epic Fluorescent Pink and a small amount of Royal Blue just to give us kind of an off pink shade. Our next screen is going to be a 123 mesh screen and a 60 durometer squeegee, again 15-degree angle. We're going to print this with about 20 psi, and this is going to be the Wilflex Epic Plush Base, again with fluorescent pink but no additional colors. This screen, being the lower mesh, is going to give us a lot of lift when this garment goes through the dryer and expand that plush base to give us a real 3D look. As you can see now, the print is very flat and it's going to go through the dryer at 320 degrees, which is going to give us that lift into these bases to give us that three-dimensional look. There you have it, a really nice dimensional 3D boutique style print using Wilflex Epic Plush Base and Wilflex Epic Cork Base. For more tips and information on screen printing, visit gogsg.com and follow us on social media.